Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Hope you're doing well. I want to come on here and do a little short video and show you what you do, or what we do in the South when we have cornbread left over. I made this beautiful cornbread today and got all this left over, so I'm going to have milk and bread. This is something we grew up having, and I'm assuming everybody else that lived around here in Georgia had it too. I don't know. But what you do is you take your cornbread, your leftover cornbread, put it in a glass. We always had it in a glass for some reason. It was never in a bowl. It was always like a tall glass. Put your cornbread in. And then you take your milk. Pour your milk over it. And it's actually really, really good. So if you got leftover cornbread, this is what you do. We always just called it milk and bread. And I know Mama and Daddy, a lot of times they would use buttermilk. But I don't like buttermilk. It's best if you let it soak just a little bit for a few minutes. That way it softens up, gets real soft. But I don't know, it's so funny how you grow up eating something because it's what your parents did, it's what you did, and you just assume everybody else does it too. I know when I moved away from home for a while and lived in the big city, people thought I was crazy. Whenever I'd eat some milk and bread, they'd never seen it before or heard of it. But Lord, it's good. If y'all have some leftover cornbread, try this. It is great. We always had leftover cornbread. My granny, she lived with us when we was little, and Granny Farmer, she made cornbread every day. Every day for supper time. Every morning. She got up early in the morning and she cooked biscuits. Every single morning. And she had cornbread, made cornbread every evening. Of course, we had other things to go with whatever. A lot of times, pinto beans or fried potatoes with onions and pork chops. Good old stuff like that. Good fried chicken. Now, it's amazing how good something so simple is. That's so good. Brings back a lot of memories too. Well, I just wanted to get on here and let you know what you can do with leftover cornbread if you have any. If not, cook you some. Then you'll have some. But anyway, hope y'all have a great evening and all. And I will see you on the next one.